You know that feeling, right? It's deep into the night, the pressure's on, and you just feel like you're one small push away from a breakthrough. But what if that last push? What if that's the very thing that's pushing you right over the edge? Okay, so picture this. It's, 2:17 a.m., the room's dark, your eyes are totally bloodshot, and you're whispering to yourself, just one more chapter. You're literally forcing yourself to stare at these words that are all just blurring together because you believe that pure willpower is what's going to get you to the finish line. But then the next day, it happens anyway. You fail. And that leads to this really terrifying question, one that most of us are just too scared to even think about. What if all this effort, all these brutal late nights, what if studying longer is the actual reason you're failing? And look, this isn't just one person's story. No way. This is a global trap. Right now, at this very moment, millions of students are sitting in libraries, in their bedrooms, all feeling the exact same thing. They're just completely drained by a system that keeps demanding more and more and more. It's this vicious cycle, Endless hours for what? So little progress. It just fuels this constant burnout, this rising anxiety. And the pressure, it's coming from all sides. From school, from your family, from society. We've all been sold this lie that just working hard without any real strategy is the way to win. It's not. It's just not. So let's go back to our guy for a second. He looks around and he sees his friends relaxing, but somehow they're scoring higher than him. So what does he do? He studies even harder, which of course just makes him feel totally inadequate. And that's when he starts telling himself that dangerous story. Maybe I'm just not smart enough. All the while, the reality is his sleep debt is piling up and the stress is just becoming unbearable. And then eventually he just stops, just staring at a wall, mind totally empty, heart heavy. Something inside just feels broken. And this, right here, this is the fundamental truth that changes everything. Your brain, it doesn't reward time. It couldn't care less how many hours you grind away. Your brain rewards method. I really need you to hear this. The problem was never you. It wasn't about your intelligence. It wasn't about a lack of effort. It was never about you not being good enough. The problem is, and it always has been, your system. So, what am I talking about? Well, here are the usual suspects. Passively rereading that textbook until your eyes just glaze over. You know what I mean. Highlighting whole pages until they're just a big, useless smear of yellow. And, oh yeah, the classic all-night cram session. These methods, they don't just not work. They're actively working against the way your brain is actually wired to learn. So, how do we fix it, right? We have to rewire the entire system. This is the part where we stop obsessing over longer hours and start building smarter habits. It all starts with a totally new approach. Okay, first up, active recall. Seriously, this is a total game changer. See, just rereading stuff makes your brain lazy, but active recall, it forces you to pull that information out from memory. Like, try to explain a concept out loud, right now, without looking at your notes. That little bit of struggle, that's what's actually making your brain stronger, building real, durable memories. Next up, we've got spaced repetition. Think of this as the ultimate antidote to cramming. Our brains are actually designed to forget stuff. It's a feature, not a bug. So when you review material at bigger and bigger intervals, like a day later, then a few days, then a week, you're basically sending a signal to your brain that says, hey, this stuff is important, keep it. You're interrupting that natural forgetting process and locking it into long-term memory. And finally, there's the deep focus method. And this is all about quality over quantity. It's simple. Step 1, get rid of all your distractions. Phone away, tabs closed. Step 2, set a timer for just 45 minutes. That's it. 3, for those 45 minutes, you give one single task your absolute undivided focus. And 4, and this word is so crucial, when that timer goes off, you take a real break. Get up, walk away, do something else completely. This cycle of intense focus and then genuine rest, that's the secret to peak performance without the burnout. And the result of all this? Well, just take a look at this. It's pretty clear. Before, you've got tons of study hours, but the test scores are low. But after putting this new system in place, the study hours actually go down and the test scores go up. I mean, that is the literal definition of working smarter, not harder. So let's check back in with our student. He starts doing this stuff, and you can see the change. He's actually studying less, but he's understanding more. You can see his confidence starting to come back. That horrible feeling of just drowning in work, it's being replaced by this calm, cool sense of being prepared. The next time he walks into an exam, the whole vibe is different. There's no panic, no frantic last-minute cramming. This time, he isn't drowning. He's ready. Because the system, it works.
Okay, let's zoom out for a minute, because this idea is so much bigger than just passing an exam. The real lesson here is that in pretty much every part of your life, strategy is always going to be raw, unstructured grind.
We have got to get this idea out of our heads that being burnt out is some kind of badge of honor.
It's not. Burnout is not a requirement for success. It's a symptom of a broken system.
So, let me ask you, straight up, are you tired of trying harder and harder just to feel like you're constantly falling behind? Do you feel like you're on a treadmill that just keeps speeding up no matter how fast you run? If you just said yes, then I need you to hear this one more time, loud and clear. It's not you. It has never, ever been you. It is your system. And you know what? The most empowering part of all this is that you have the power to change it. You can build a new system, fix the system, and you will find that everything changes. So if you're ready to finally trade that burnout for a real breakthrough, make sure you subscribe for more strategies on how to work smarter. And hey, comment system down below if you're ready to join the conversation. Let's start building better systems together.
You've seen the truth. Now act on it.